Yes, it's a bloodbath this morning, but I put my money where my mouth is and bought some shares in my favorite precious metals mining company. First off, I want to make a public statement that my previous declarations that $1,900 was the new floor for gold was absolutely wrong. Hey, I'm often wrong, and I was certainly wrong about that one. But I still feel there's reason to be optimistic about the price of the metals going forward. With the price action this morning, you'd think that the metals just realized that the Fed's going to raise rates on Wednesday. But we know differently. That has already been priced in to the metals for the last several months, maybe even half year. Possibly what's happened over the last 6 weeks or so is the Fed has become even more hawkish, which was a little bit of a surprise, and that had a negative impact on the price of the metals. But we all know there's only so much they can do. I mean, heck, the 10-year bond yield this morning I looked was right at 3%. Rates have already gone up. I mean, how much more can the Fed do without actually sending the U.S. economy into a full-blown depression? Bottom line is that there's only so much more hawkishness that the U.S. economy can tolerate. I mean, it's like they've become from a hawk to a super hawk. If they become a super hawk, it's going to crash everything, and they don't want that. And if you look back at history, oftentimes, once the Fed starts raising rates, right? Once they start actually raising the rates, that usually marks a period where the metals start to go up significantly in price. So maybe this time, since I don't think they're going to be able to get any more hawkish, we're going to start to see some steady increases in the price of gold and silver once they make this announcement on Wednesday. Now, they could shock us. I don't think they will. I don't think they'll do anything more than 0.5%, but they could. I think they'll do 0.5% and kind of cool it because they're really cooling the economy down. And that, I think, will mark a period where gold will have established a good fundamental base around the 1850 range and could move up from there. I did say $2,400 gold in the month of May. It's only May 2nd. We're going to see what happens. But next, I want to tell you about what I bought this morning. I purchased my final tranche of 4 tuna silver mines, FSM. I've shared publicly, it's one of my favorite stocks. It has been beaten down. I bought some a few weeks ago at $3.85. I bought some last week at $3.50. And I bought my final tranche this morning at $3.30. That was a couple hours ago. I haven't had the nerve to look to see where it is now, but no matter what it does from here, from a risk management perspective, I don't want to allocate any more of my portfolio to FSM. And again, this is just me being transparent, sharing with you. We'll see how that decision plays out in the future. I'll continue to give you updates. But don't you make any financial decisions based upon the information that I'm sharing with you. Don't buy anything. Don't sell anything. Don't do anything. I'm just kind of, again, sharing with you what I'm doing. I also would like to share with you that you're always welcome in Ron's Basement. I hope you enjoy my content. I put something out almost every day about the gold, silver, precious metal mining sector. If you want to be kept up to date with what I'm talking about, you could help me out by liking my video, sharing my video, or you could subscribe right here. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.